Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Word open and the document loaded. Position your cursor on or near the picture you want to replace. First, click the picture once so selection handles appear. This confirms you target the correct object. Next, check the ribbon. If you see picture format, you're set. Make sure your replacement file is accessible, desktop, or folder, and note whether the image is inline or wrapped, because that affects how Word preserves layout and text flow. You will now replace the image without disrupting layout. Right-click the selected picture and choose Change Picture, then from a file, navigate to your replacement and open it. Once inserted, Word swaps the pixels but keeps some formatting. If the right-click option is unavailable, use Insert Pictures and select the new file, then manually copy formatting. Also, go to Picture Format Size to lock aspect ratio so your image doesn't stretch. Once done, check alignment and text wrapping. Use picture format to set in line with text or tight wrap as needed, and nudge with arrow keys for precision. If the file ballooned, compress pictures or crop excess to reduce document size. Make sure to save a new version. If replacement fails, inspect whether the image is grouped, anchored in a header/footer, or protected. Ungroup or unlock the section, then retry replacing the picture to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.